Look at that. Sarap. Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. We are preparing today pinwheel steak. No? We'll be using mozzarella cheese, Parma ham. Ilalagay natin sa loob ng flank steak. Okay? So we have our Parma ham and then we have mozzarella. I'll begin by slicing our mozzarella. Medyo thin lang, ganun lang. Ganyan lang siya ka-thin. So we've sliced up our mozzarella cheese. Yun ang prepare natin yung flank steak natin. Maganda sa flank steak, it's an expensive piece of meat steak, no? It tastes well, it cooks fast. So gagawin natin, I'll just dry this up and then I'll butterfly it. Let me just cut it slice. I'll slice it na in half, no? Okay. Here you go. Apply a little pressure lang dito. And then slice it thinly dito sa gitna. Just to butterfly it. Yan. The butterfly is to cut it in half. And to slice it in half. Yun. Okay? Dito, see? Yan lang, oh. Dito. Yeah. Okay. So this steak is also locally available sa deli here in Ormoc City. No? Yan, no? Ang ganda siya, manipis na rin itong flank steak na to. So there you go. Okay. There you go. Huh? So, first step is get your pesto. Hindi, lagyan natin siya ng pesto dito. Yun. The whole piece of meat, lagyan natin ng pesto. Yan ang pinaka-base natin. Base for flavoring. Pero lalagyan ko pa ng konting salt and pepper. And then, a little salt. And then some pepper. Nice. Okay? And then, lagyan natin ng... So, makita mo yung grain ng meat niya. We'll be turning it this way. So, we'll put up our mozzarella this way. Okay. Nice. Lagyan siya ng basil leaves. Although there's already pesto there, pero gusto ko lang yung basil leaves just to give it more texture. Yeah. And then we'll get our Parma ham. So you can buy this in your favorite deli or your favorite grocery store. No? See how easy it is? Ikot ko lang tong table ko. There. And then, ready natin yung skewers natin. Okay, put it here. And then we'll turn this. Yan lang, oh. Ikot mo na siya. Ikot, ikot, ikot. Ikot. Yun. Okay. Ikot. That's it. So once maikot na natin siya, buo na yung natin, yung steak natin. What we'll do is we'll put in some barbecue sticks. Yun, there. Okay. Nice. Okay. Linisin ko lang yung table ko. I want a clean table. Okay. Ang gusto mo dito is you really get it really charred sa labas, no? Charred sa labas yung meat niya, and then medium rare sa gitna. Okay? So I'll bring it down a little lang. And then we'll grill this for about 1.5 minutes on each side. Then we're done, we're good. Here you go. So this is about 1.5 minutes. You don't want to burn too much. So control natin yung konti yung fire. Hayaan mo masunog yung kawayan natin skewer, that's okay. Kasi yung purpose talaga niya is just to hold the meat. And then later tatanggalin natin yan. Simple lang, no? Tuyok. Okay. Good. Na. Init. So you want it charred on the outside, and then the inside will be medium rare. Yun. Nice. 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 Okay. 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 Here's our grilled pinwheel steak. So here we go. Let's try this. Oh, nice, really nice. Love it. Beauty. Okay, beauty. And let's cut it. It's very soft, oh. Oh, perfect. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. No? That's the way you want this to be. So, if that's the way you want it to be, this is how you want to eat it. Sarap. Sarap. Really good. Hello. May mga basil. Yung basil is a vegetable. Right. Yeah. Naya ka pa, yung buo.
No, i-cut lang. Ano eh. Malaki. Baka mapareho tayo sa kebab episode.
Hindi, pwede mong you can have the basil na again lang.
No? Sarap ba? Really good. Flank steak. Cheese.
Flank steak, cheese, Parma Ham, Pesto.
Pesto, that's it.
It takes what? Less than 20 minutes to prepare? So less than 20 minutes? That's it.
20,
Save steak. One more.
Locally. Everything local.
Available locally.
Importante, yeah.
Baba.
Masarap. Good na.
Dahil pa.
Masarap dito na. Good na.
May.
Sarap.
There you go. Thank you again for eating my food.
Yeah.
Thank you, Carlo.
And again, gumaganda ang buhay. With Richard Gomez. Gumaganda or tumataba. Yun lang. Yun lang. Thank you.
Thank you for joining me right in Goma at home. Do this in your own kitchen, share it with friends, enjoy this with your family. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.